Yo, what is up, gamers? Playing some League of Legends ARAM Mayhem on the NUNU and WILLUMP. I the snowball. Oops. The snowballer snowballed. Snowbally. I don't know, bro. That guy's asleep. Give me this. Hey. Drift King incoming. Drift King incoming. That guy ghosted. Whoa, choke at the goat. Holy. Wait a minute. Drift King incoming? I can make this. Fuck you. Ooh, Drift King incoming. Oh my fucking ping. You need E. Not the snowballer. Beat his ass! Beat his ass! Yes, sir! Wait. Yeah. Oh, wait. This. I'll take an E now. Ow. Ooh. Cho'Gath is the goat. Drift King incoming. I can make that. Sure. Eat. Fuck you. Oh, dude. I didn't buy items, I just now realized. Go. Oh shit. Doesn't testing this again? Yeah. Could have sworn I was spamming that, but okay. Give me this. Boom! Wow. He goes out. He goes back in. Oh, scheisse. Cho'Gath is kind of him. Wow, that is unfortunate. Ooh, good boys. Uh-oh. That is what you get for being rude as fuck. Duty? Is this? Distance rolled. Ew. Money. It says to level it anyway. I don't actually know if being faster makes that faster. I'm just gonna assume it does, though. Drift King incoming! That doesn't kill? I will auto your ass down, cuh! Try me, big man. biscuiteth. I'm fucked. But I made money worth. We really are just gonna let this guy blast us on repeat, eh? Ooh, unfortunate. I do believe you're fucked, yup. You're not in, wait. I'm not in here with you. You're in here with me. Or however, or whatever he says, you know. Oh, set yourself up on set. Wowee. Money. Oh, I don't think that kills if I take it. I had no spells anyway. Dingers. The only dinger.
Every item's been tempered by the ocean.
Money. Money. Excuse you, cuz? Oh, I'm not hungry. Damn. The hungry boy right there. They don't call me the Drift King for nothing. Oh, he was tanking blast. This bitch is looking a little. Aw. Ulti Unstoppable would go hard.
Your ally has been slain.
Yeah, excuse you, buddy.
Your ally has been slain.
Drift King needs to come to town. Can't be slowed, bitch. Come on. Oh, he's actually gonna fight him to death. Go in the bush. Swing him around. Fuck this bitch. Okay. Totally what I wanted. Ah. Aw. Money's good. Is there even a silver?
Your turret is splinters.
I wonder if we'll FF. Run, boy, run. gonna give that a worse. What is this? Money! What is this? Did they change make it rain? Oh. Oh, I'm full life. Excuse you? Okay. Does immolate? Where? That's not me. Felt gold. It does still do the money.
2 men over.
I'll buy this. The biggest snowball ever. Money. My coins. Okay. Nine. Let me see. She had 17 when I clicked on her. She was single digit for sure. Fuck. Give me the money. Damn. Silver.
Conviction in
Sure. Percentage 10? I don't get that shit. I got all the flat. Or whatever he just said. Oh, I can't see the max range on that. That is a bit fucked up.
Your ally has slain an enemy.
Money. No Boa? Okay, just that's like that. Or maybe I'm gonna run it down or like that. Rawr. You big man? Oh, what is that timing? Boom. I guess I ulted. $22.71. God damn. Oh. 26.21. God damn. I want to FF now.
Your mate's feeding the fish.
Oh, squalled. Give me that. Yerp. Use my champion. Oh, GG.